Have you ever wanted to create awesome music videos using AI? Well, now you can, and it's easier than you think. There's this amazing website called OpenArt. It lets you create stunning, professional looking music videos, all from simple text prompts, no fancy editing skills needed. First, go to OpenArt and select Music Video. You'll see four options to start from. I'm choosing the visualizer template for this demo. Once the storyboard opens, we'll need a script for our video. That's where ElevenLabs comes in. Just log in, or create a free account, and select the music category to get started. Now it's time to get creative. Open ChatGPT and type in what you want your video to be about. It could be anything, from space travel to cooking to art. For this example, I'm writing about the art of pizza. Once ChatGPT gives you a finished script, copy and paste it into ElevenLabs and hit generate. You'll instantly get a voiceover track that sounds natural and clean. Export it as an MP3 and upload it right into OpenArt. Now the fun part, customizing your visuals. You can change the style, aspect ratio, and even choose which AI engine to use. When everything looks right, click Create Full Video, and let OpenArt do all the hard work for you. Here's the final result.
Spin the circle, feel it rise. Flower falls like painted skies. Crimson suns begin to glow. Golden crust, the heat below. Brush of oil, a dream untold. Every flavor, art in gold. This is the art of the flame. Every topping calls your name. From spice to sweet, from sky to ground, 1,000 worlds in one are found. Oh, the dough remembers hands, turning hunger into plans. Paint your passion, feed desire. Taste the color, light the fire. Pizza is the canvas of fire.
Links are below if you want to try this out and take your creativity to the next level. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more AI creations.